Today, I'm going to show you how to complete your Common App for transfer. Common App helps transfer students like you apply to colleges by making the process faster and easier. You can use one application to apply to multiple colleges, and it's completely free to create an account. Common App is also mobile friendly, so you can work on your application from anywhere. Hi everyone, I'm Brian, and I work here at Common App. This video will walk you through Common App for transfer from start to finish. If you're applying to college for the first time, you'll use the first year Common App instead. There's a walkthrough of the first year application linked in the description. Starting on commonapp.org, click the Create an Account button. Once you land on the Let's Get Started page, click on Transfer Student, which brings you to the Create an Account page. Enter your information here and select Create Your Account to continue. You'll also need to fill out the extended profile on the next page. After you create your account, it's time to add a program. Search for the program or college you want to transfer to. A college may have more than one program listed, for example, a fall term program and a spring term program. Make sure you select the program you want to apply to. I'm going to search for my college, Towson University, as an example. Then select the program to add it to your list and continue on to the application. You can select multiple programs and add or remove colleges whenever, so it's normal for your list to change. If you don't know where you want to apply to yet, that's okay. You can still make progress on most sections of your application in the meantime. Next, you'll go to your application dashboard. Here you can track your application progress, deadlines, and next steps. The application is split into 4 sections. 3 of these 4 sections are shared between all the programs you apply to, so you only have to fill them out once. The personal information section asks some questions about your background to start building your profile. This is also where you can request a Common App fee waiver. Colleges want to make sure the application fees don't create a barrier for any student. About 40% of transfer students receive a Common App fee waiver, which many colleges accept. If you qualify based on the criteria listed, make sure you select yes. You'll need to provide a signature, and then you won't need to pay any fees to submit your application. Whether you qualify for a fee waiver or not, many Common App member colleges never charge an application fee for transfer applicants. You can look for those colleges in the Add Program section. Next up, the Academic History section. You'll need to list your entire academic history, including any high schools and colleges you've attended. You will need to submit a transcript, which is an overview of your academic performance for any colleges you've attended. The application will tell you the transcript requirements and submission instructions for each program you applied to. Next is the Supporting Information section. This is where you can give colleges a more complete picture of who you are, your experiences, and what you've accomplished. You'll have the option to upload a copy of your resume here. You can share more about your work history, community involvement, family commitments, and any other experiences that have been meaningful to you. When you finish adding all of the experiences and accomplishments you want to share, be sure to check that all your sections are complete to keep track of your progress. After completing the common sections that are shared between all of your applications, you can move on to the Program Materials section. This section is unique to each program you apply to. If you're applying to multiple programs, they may have different requirements or ask for additional documents. Programs will ask for the Common App personal essay in this section if they require it. There are 7 prompts to choose from. We recommend writing about what you truly want to share about yourself, not what you think colleges want to read. Picking something special about yourself is a great chance to stand out to these colleges. Colleges might also ask for letters of recommendation in the Program Materials section. You can see what each program requires and send invitations to your recommenders here. They can be professional, academic, or personal. When you're done with your application, you'll see the option to submit in the My Programs panel. If there's an application fee for your program and you do not have a fee waiver, this is where you'll pay that fee. After that, congratulations! You did it! You've applied to transfer. Remember, if you get stuck, we're here to help. We have tons of resources at commonapp.org/transfer, and our support team is available 24/7, 365 days a year at commonapp.org/help. You can also find me and some of my Common App friends on social media at Common App, where we share more college application tips and resources. Now you're ready to continue your path toward a degree. You've worked so hard to get to where you are today, and we're proud of you for pursuing higher education. Congratulations from the Common App team.